Chris Aaron's here. Out of my Trickmaster 30 bag, I have a late night lock picker. Looks like a quick set keyway, quick set lock. Let's see if we can get into this. There we go. Zoom it in. Get that light over a little bit. That reflection. Let's see what Mr. Late Night Lock Picker has done. I'm gonna go with the DeForest. Start at the back of the lock. Light tension and just pull to the front and see what I got on 5 as a binder. There's a couple of clicks on 3, 2, click on 5, 4, we'll click on 3. It's kind of a weird click and grinding. I think 2 needs a little bit, maybe. I may have overset 2. It just keeps going up, so I think I overset it. So I can mess with some of these others and see if it'll come back down. So I'm still in a little false set here. Light one. No, I'm gonna drop that pin again. Huh. Okay, let's reset that. I got something messed up here. Try that again. There's 3. That 2 is just something weird about it. One hasn't bound yet. We'll click on 3. Click on 2. Getting some good definite clicks now. 4. It's a pretty good one here. Huh. Let's try the other way. Good click on 3. I'm getting 1 to bind now. Couldn't get it to bind the other way. Now I'm getting no feedback. World. There we go. Goodness, on 4. Wow. What in the world is in here? 7 minutes. I know it's going to be a long one, but I'm going to do it. Because as much of a fight as that was, he deserves every second of video credit. Wow. There's something real funny going on with that 1 and 2, I think. Come on out of there. Gosh dang it. Gosh dang it. Let's see what in the world is going on. I don't think it's a T-pin. So I'm going to chance this one. We're good. We got threading in every one of them. Whoop. Standard. 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 What in the world? Alright, everything is threaded. Oop. So what we got in the top. We're going to have a spool. Steel spring. Spool. Well, that's surprising. I sure didn't expect no spool. That. Alright, there's a threaded. Uh-oh. Spool. Battery is low. Okay. Alright, unable to use flash. It's fine. And threaded. Now that is something. I sure wouldn't have guessed that. I'd have guessed some a lot different stuff than that. Looks like there might be. I know you can't see because there's threading deep down. You're not going to be able to see it because most of this ain't threaded, but the top part's threaded. Clean in 4, threading in 3, and 2, and 1 is clean. Okay, so what we have is steel springs. Number 3 is a little smaller wound there, but we just have a spool, another spool, a serrated, another spool here, and that one's kind of a really tight small lip on there, and then those might be factory. See, those are factory. Yeah, I think those are factory serrations, maybe. But nothing extravagant, but it sure put my butt to shame. Late night lockpicker, great job, man. Y'all, thanks for watching. Be legal. God bless.